Joining us this morning to unpack the market movements is Nick Kunze from Sanlam Private Wealth. A very good morning to you, Nick. Good to have you with us. Perhaps this morning, Nick, let's start with the performance of the rand against the major currencies of the world.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning to the viewers. So the rand's been a little bit of a rebound the last couple of days. It's still down on the year quite significantly. A little bit of a risk-off theme. The dollar's had a bit of a surprise bounce back since it weakened going into end of last year. So it's a little bit of volatility still out there, but overall, yeah, a bit of nervousness around, and that's reflected in a risk currency like the rand. So a little bit on the back foot this year.
And talk to us about the weakness of the JSE and what could be some of the major contributors to that.
Well, the JSE, I mean, it had a bit of a surprise bounce back at the end of last year, but then again, coming into this year, like the currency, a little bit of that risk-off theme. Yesterday, particularly, sort of hit by the diversified miners. They were weaker against that stronger dollar, as well as our banks, our financials. First Rand was down 3-4% at one stage. Financials a bit weaker as well. Of course, on the other side, the positive news is gold shares continue to outperform off the back of the risks coming out of the Middle East, and I think that theme will continue. But again, without sounding boring, it's this volatility is going to be here until we get a little bit of guidance